Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful heatless curls using only Flexirods. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So the hair that I have in is the Asteria Hair. This is the loose deep wave hair in inches 20, 22, 24, and a 16-inch closure. I started off by just combing out the hair using a wide tooth comb to get all the tangles out. As you guys can see, this hair is really fluffy in its natural state. I love how it feels. It's super soft and I feel like I can just run my fingers through it. Pretty much the hair is holding up really well. Haven't had too many problems. Very minimum shedding. That's normal with curly hair. You will see some type of shedding, so keep that in mind. So after I comb it out, I'm going to split the hair into half, and then I'm going to clip one half up so I can work on the other half. After I've done that, I'm going to also split that half into another half to make an even smaller section. And then we're going to put that up out of the way so we can work on that back piece. So for the back piece, I'm going to make a littler section. That way I can have a control over the amount of hair that I'm putting into the Flexirod. I knew I didn't want too big or I didn't want too small, so I made it just right by doing that. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my rod, place it behind the hair, clip it at the very top, and start twisting away. So once I get to the bottom of that part, I'm going to just clip that rod up to lock it into place. So when you finish, you should have something like this. So we're going to repeat that process, and I'm going to show you guys again how you do it. So you just pretty much place your rod behind the hair, clip it at the very top, and start twisting away from your face. And as you're twisting, make sure you try to keep the hair as flat as possible. That way when you take it down, you won't have so many lumps in it. Perfect, so you should have something like this. So I'm then going to move on to the top part. Once again, split that top part into two sections. Give it a good comb through, and then start twisting. So for this one, I decided to flexi rod the hair going towards my face. This is just so when you take your hair down, all of your curls won't be going in the same direction. You want to have some dimension to the hair. So doing this is going to make it seem like the hair isn't all in the same direction. So I just randomly did that for certain parts. I would rod some going towards my face, some going away. It just depends on your preference and how you want your curls to fall. All right, so that side is done. I'm going to move on to the next side and just repeat that entire process. So split the hair, clip one section up, work on the back half, and then proceed. And as you guys can see, I'm twisting away from my face. And make sure we lock it at the bottom. So this is the final look once I got all the rods in. It didn't take that long either. So you guys, I'm just gonna show you how I got them all in there. And as you can see, it looks really good so far. And after that, time for bed. Good night, guys. So now it's the next day, and I want to show you guys how they look once I've taken them all down. And of course, I beat my face, and there will be a video for that look. So make sure you guys check out that video as well if you want to see how I got my cut crease. So I've taken down the first rod, and as you can see, this curl is beautiful. Nice and straight, has some dimension to it. So I'm going to repeat that process and take down all of the rods. And make sure when you're taking your rods down, you don't yank them out. You want to try to take them out as softly as possible. Otherwise, you'll get a big old tangled mess if you're just trying to rush and speed through with it. So just take your time, take your rods out. Make sure your curls are going in the same direction as the way you rodded them. So this is the final look. I've gotten all the rods out, and look at these curls. They are popping. So I'm just going to randomly go through and just separate some of the smaller ones just to make it a little bit more fluffier. As I said before, this hair is really fluffy, so it's really pretty when it's curled. This isn't the natural state, but I feel like just putting Flexirods in it just made it look even better. And as you guys can see, it turned out great. I'm very excited with the results. Flexirods are just another option for you guys to use to keep the heat away. I always try to stay away from heat, especially with extensions, because the more heat you put into it, the less life the hair is going to have. So Flexirods are a great option. Again, I didn't put any product into this hair. I just used the regular Flexirods, put my cap on, and went to bed. And this is the final look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I'm gonna list all of the details about the hair into the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.